Where is Luca? You have to hide. Luca hides. And then, yay! Peekaboo! Luca hides. You have to hide, Luca. Peekaboo! You hide, Luca. Hide. Hide. Peekaboo! But you have to do it yourself. Hide. Hide, Luca. Hide. Hide. Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Peekaboo! Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Hey, Stella's having some bread, Luca. Oh, where did she go? Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Peekaboo! There he is. You wanna hide again? Hide. Hide, Luca. Where is Luca? Where is Luca? Peekaboo! Hide, Luca. Hide. Hide, Luca. Where is Luca? Where? Peekaboo! Where is Luca? 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 Peekaboo! Good job, Luca. Peekaboo! There you are. You want some paper? Vovó Estela adorava dar papel pra criança. Whoa, you're gonna rip the paper? Rip the paper, Luca. Rip it. Not in your mouth, not in your mouth. Good job, Luca. Great job. Great job, Luca. Great job, Luca. You have to rip it. Tear it. Yes.